Kia Sportage 2016. Replace oil pressure sensor. First disconnect black cable from the battery, then remove the bottom cover. That would be the easiest part. To remove this plate, use a ratchet socket with extension long enough to reach the top two screws from the bottom. Here is the low pressure oil sensor. You will need a 24mm 2 and long socket wrench set to be able to reach it even when the plate is removed. To remove this, 2 screws is better with a regular short wrench. Clean up the cable, plug if dirty with oil, with electrical spray, cleaner, and use paper, towel to clean the sensor hole, and that's it.